Improve your English. Certainly. Here's a conversation between two friends using the past continuous tense. Friend 1, what were you doing yesterday evening around 7 p.m.? Friend 2, I was studying for my exam at that time. How about you? Friend 1, I was watching a movie with my family. What were you wearing while you were studying? Friend 2, I was wearing my favorite pajamas and a hoodie. What movie were you watching? Friend 1, I was watching the latest action movie that just came out. Were you listening to music while studying? Friend 2, no, I wasn't. I prefer to study in silence. Were you eating popcorn during the movie? Friend 1, yes, I was snacking on popcorn. It's my favorite movie snack. Did you have any breaks while studying? Friend 2, yeah, I had a short break every hour. Did you enjoy the movie? Friend 1, yes, I did. It was really exciting. How long were you studying for? Friend 2, I was studying for about 3 hours.